Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Robyn with Robyn's Southern Nest. So I figured it had been a few weeks since I've done a styled sink video with you guys, and I really enjoy doing them. So today I'm just cleaning out the sink, and then I'm going to add in some more warm tone, fall tones to this sink area, just to warm it up for fall. I was hoping to get my Mrs. Myers scents, fall scents in the mail, but they just haven't come, so I jumped the gun, but I'm sure I'll be back with another video for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy it. So I get a lot of questions about this metal strainer. I picked it up from IKEA whenever I purchased this sink years ago. They don't make it anymore, but I do have something similar linked in my like to know it. And I'll have a link in the description of this video so you can shop anything that you see while you're watching. So it's like one of my pet peeves to have like a buildup of soap on my dispensers. Does anybody else feel that way? So I'm just cleaning that off and getting all the goop off, just so it's nice and clean. Remember, you can catch more details over on my blog at robynssouthernnest.com. Thank you so much and have a good day.